If you're struggling to get business funding, whether you're a brand new business, have less than perfect credit, or just want fast approval, today I'm breaking down real business funding options you can actually get approved for, even if the banks have already told you no. Now, if you are looking to also remove collections off of your credit report, hard inquiries, or bankruptcies, you are more than welcome to visit my website at creditwithinfo.com, where I have instant downloads, edible PDF templates. Even when my slots for credit repair are closed, I am still able to help you achieve that goal and helping you to build your credit within the next 30 days. As you guys may know, I help business owners build credit, secured funding, and grow smarter. Now, in this video, I'm giving you 5 powerful ways to get funding that you can actually qualify for, plus some insider tips to increase your approval odds. First up, we're going to talk about unsecured business loans. Now, these loans you can get without putting up collateral like your house or equipment. Now, these approvals are based mostly on your credit profile and your business performance. Now, I'm going to be sharing with you two solid options in 2025. Now, the first option will be OnDeck. Now, they are known for their fast funding, sometimes same day funding as well. They will consider your cash flow, time in business, and credit history. Your term loans are up to 250K, lines of credit up to 1,000K. Now, as you guys can also see with this bank, they do not have any hard credit pull. You can check your eligibility without affecting your credit score, which I always think is a win win. We already discussed fast funding, of course. And then plus, they have build business credit history. Now, this line of credit is to help you build your personal business credit as well if you don't have any, or if you're just still trying to improve your business credit. Now, the next one on my list will be the PNC Bank. Now, they offer unsecured loans from 20K all the way up to 100K for established business. Also, with this loan, there is no collateral required. They also offer easier payment processing as well. And I do think this is a wonderful option, especially if you are a small business owner. Now, here it is. I'm going to share with you guys a pro tip. Now, for unsecured loans, focus on showing strong cash flow and low existing debt, even if your credit score isn't perfect. Now, we're going to talk about some of the SBA loan programs that they do have available right now. Now, the SBA backs certain loans, making them easier to get approved through approved lenders. Now, next they have the SBA 7A, which is the most popular one. Now, they do have loans up to $5 million for working capital, equipment, or refinancing debt. Now, next on the list is the SBA microloans. Now, these are perfect for startups or smaller businesses. Now, they do have loans up to 50K with a flexible requirement. Now, they do also have Community Advantage Loan. Now, this type of loan targets underserved areas in business that banks often overlook. Now, just for quick heads up, SBA loans still usually require a personal guarantee, but they have easier approval odds compared to traditional bank loans. Now, if banks aren't approving you, I will consider other finance options as well. Now, revenue based finance means that you repay as a percentage of your monthly revenue instead of a fixed amount. Another option is invoice factoring, which means that you sell your unpaid invoices or borrow against them to get fast cash. Now, here's a little pro tip that I do want to share with you all before applying for any business loan. Be careful and make sure that you are comparing costs carefully. Some options can be very expensive if used too long. Now, they do have some grants and community funding available as well. Now, in my eyes, one of the best funding sources is money you do not have to pay back, of course. Also, look into small grants as well. Also, check at your state and city programs. For example, some states have small business advantage grants for 2025 if they are still available, which, if I were you, I would go ahead and check. And I'll also try to pin some of that information down below in the comments just to make sure that you're not wasting your time heading to these websites and these grants or community fundings are not available. Also, they do have CDFI, which is Community Development Financial Institution, which provides loans with more flexible terms to business that banks won't work with. Now, here's another thing to keep in mind: grants do take effort to apply for, but they're worth it. So, free money is always good money, in my opinion. And then another couple of tips that I want to share with you guys on how to boost your approval odds. You want to make sure that you register your business as an LLC or corporation. You also want to make sure that you have a business bank account. You also want to make sure that you are keeping your personal business and your business account separate. You also want to make sure that you keep accurate financial statements as well and build business credit through vendors' accounts and small lines of credit. Now, even with bad credit, you can start with smaller funding and work your way up to larger approvals. So, there you guys have it. They do have business funding available for almost every situation. Now, which of these will you try first? Drop it down below, and I might make a video to dive or talk about your option or your choice. Now, I hope this was helpful. Until next time, I will see you all in the next video. Make sure that you give this video a likes and subscribe for more videos.